just like regular foot clutch.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm a first responder.
Most informative chopper content on YouTube, right there.
It's not cool.
This is a voter alert. Warning, the League of Women Voters
Excuse the giant mess here. We're knee deep in it. Goal today is going to be to get the wiring harness and battery removed from the bike, and time permitting, remove the oil tank and the fender and gas tank, and get everything stripped down. The plan is to have this at the powder coater by Friday, so that next week I can work on some lighter fabrication and then repainting all the tins. and then we're back into assembly. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, there we go. So the harness, along with a lot of other stuff, is now off. I think that's where we're going to call it a night tonight. We're going to get cleaned up a little bit so we have a little more workspace next time. And yeah, next thing to do is start pulling out this motor. So see you then. Alright, the goal tonight is to get this motor out, and then we'll start unbolting the motor so that we can lay it down on its side and just pick the frame up off of it. So that's what we're doing today. Alright, that's what we're going to call it for tonight. So we have got a strip frame all the way down to the plastic. Tomorrow we will be welding some Frisco mount bungs in the top of the backbone, and we will be welding on a seat mount right there, as well as some posts just behind the fender mount for the seat springs. But that is it for tonight. We're going to get cleaned up and we'll see you tomorrow.